Good morning children and welcome to your listening class. Dear children, today we will continue with the previous chapter, chapter 4, coding, decoding. In your last class, as we have discussed till question number 15. So today I will begin with question number 16. So let's see question number 16 given in page number 29 of your reasoning book. So, question number 16. Let's read the question first. If car means boat, boat means bicycle and bicycle means plane, then dash is used as air transport. So children, we all know that plane is a air transport. Aeroplane is a air transport. But in the question, it is given that bicycle means plane. This kind of question we have already done in the previous class also. So here it is given that bicycle means plane. So we all know that plane is an air transport. So but here plane is substituted with the name bicycle. So what will be your answer? Your answer will be bicycle. So in which option you are getting bicycle? In option D. So the answer will be option D, bicycle. Bicycle. Now let's see question number 17. Yes children, question number 17. If white means blue, blue means red. Again the same kind of question. Blue means red and red means green. Then what is the color of human blood? I know children that all of you know that the color of blood is red. The color of blood is red. So here in this question you can see that red is substituted with the name blue. So what will be the color of blood? The color of blood will be blue. So in which option you are getting blue? In option C. So the answer will be option C for question number 17. Let's see question number 18. Question number 18 says, if rabbit is called peacock, peacock is called lion and lion is called tiger, then who is the king of jungle? I know that children that all of you know that who is the king of jungle. Yes, lion is the king of jungle. So lion is substituted with the name peacock is called lion and lion is called tiger. We have discussed this type of question earlier also. Here, lion is called tiger. So, tiger is your answer because lion is substituted with the name tiger. So, lion is called tiger here. So, your answer will be tiger. In which option you are getting tiger? In option D. So, your answer will be option D, tiger for question number 18. Let's see question number 20. Question number 19 is similar to question number 18 children. So you will do question number 19 by your own. Question number 20. If Monday is called Wednesday and Wednesday is called Tuesday, Tuesday is called Thursday, then which day is second day after Monday? The second day after Monday is Wednesday. After Monday there is Tuesday is the first day and Wednesday is the second day. So which day is the second day after Monday? But we know that Wednesday is the second day after Monday. But here Wednesday is called Tuesday. Wednesday is substituted with the name Tuesday. So what will be your answer? Your answer will be Tuesday, given in option number B. So your answer will be option B, Tuesday. Let's see question number 21. Question number 21, children. You can see there are many pictures given in question number 21. There is a cuboid, sphere, cube, cone, cylinder. If cuboid means sphere, sphere means cube, cube means cone, and cone means cylinder, then which of the following has a triangular face? We all know that, children, that a cone has a triangular face. So, but here you can see that cube means cone. Cube means cone. So, and we know that a cone has a triangular face, but cone is substituted with cube. So, in option, you can find that in option D, you can see that cube is given in option number D, which is substituted for cone. So, your answer will be option D. Option D, cube. Option D, cube will be your answer for question number 21. Is it clear, children? Question number 22 is similar like the question we have discussed earlier. So you will do it by yourself. Let's see question number 23. If parrot means eagle, eagle means peacock, and peacock means sparrow, then which is the national bird of India? Children, we all know that peacock is our national bird. So, here you can see that peacock is substituted with, peacock means sparrow and eagle means peacock. So, eagle means peacock. So, our answer will be eagle because eagle is substituted for peacock. So, in option B you can find eagle. Eagle will be your answer for question number 23. Let's see question number 24. Question number 24. Again you can see that there are some pictures in this question. If cube means sphere, sphere means cone, cone means cylinder, then which of the following can roll but not slide? Which of the following can roll but not slide? Children, we all know that the figures which does not have a plane surface, which do not have a plane surface will roll. So you can see that a sphere has no any plane surface. It means that but sphere is substituted with the picture of cube. So your answer will be cube. In option A you can find that there is a cube. So your answer will be cube for question number 24. Let's see question number 25 given in page number 30. Children, in question number 25 it is given if Sunday is Monday, Monday means Tuesday, and Tuesday means Wednesday, then what day will be the day before Thursday? The day before Thursday is Wednesday. The day before Thursday is Wednesday. But here you can see that Tuesday means Wednesday. Tuesday means Wednesday. So in the question, Wednesday is substituted with the name Tuesday. So your answer will be Tuesday. In which option you are getting Tuesday? In option B. In option B, you are your answer will be Tuesday. Let's see question number 26. Question number 26. Yes, children. Here you can see that in question number 26, there are some pictures of animals and birds. If frog means fish, fish is called, if frog is called fish, fish is called parrot, and parrot is called elephant. Then which of the following can fly? Children, we all know that frog is an aquatic animal, fish is an aquatic animal, and bird is an aerial animal, and elephant is an terrestrial animal. So, parrot can fly only. Parrot can fly only among all these animals. Parrot can fly only, but here in the question, parrot is called elephant. So, in option A, you can see elephant. So, your answer will be option A, elephant, for question number 26. Children, question number 27 is similar to question number 26. So, you will do it by your own. Now, let's see question number 28. Question number 28. In question number 28, you can see that football is called baseball. Baseball is called cork. Cork is called cricket ball, and cricket ball is called basketball. Then dash is used for playing cricket. We all know that we use cricket ball for playing cricket. But here you can see that cricket ball is substituted with basketball. So in which option you can get the picture of basketball? In option B. So your option B will be your answer for question number 28. Let's see question number 29. Question number 29. If pen means ball, ball means notebook, notebook means sharpener, and sharpener means eraser, then what is used to sharpen a pencil? As the name says, sharpener. We all use sharpener to sharpen the pencil. So, in the question you can see that sharpener is substituted with the name notebook. Notebook means sharpener. So, in option number D, you can see that notebook is given. So, your answer will be option D, notebook. Option D, notebook. Let's see question number 30, children. This is the last question of this chapter. In question number 30, you can see that if plane is called boat, boat is called auto rickshaw, and auto rickshaw is called helicopter, then what is used as road transport? Children, you all know that plane and helicopter are air transport and boat is a water transport. Only auto rickshaw is a road transport. But here auto rickshaw is called helicopter. So what will be your answer? Your answer will be option C, helicopter, because auto rickshaw is substituted with the name or with the picture helicopter. So your answer for question number 30 is option C, helicopter. I am writing the name. You will take the picture of helicopter. So the answer will be option C, helicopter. So this is the last question of this chapter, children. I hope, children, that you have enjoyed this chapter, and after watching this video, your concept will be clear about this chapter, coding and decoding. So I hope, children, that after watching this video, you all will try to solve all the questions in your reasoning copy, and you will send your work to me. Thank you, children.